Okay, today's is a real easy one. Succulent pork with a crispy skin, nice crunchy kale, flavored with a bit of chili and garlic, soy sauce and oyster sauce. Absolutely delicious. So what we need to do then, we need to take the leaves off our kale stalks. And then using everything, we need to trim away all the hard skin, the tough old woody bits of the stems, and then we can slice and use our succulent stem inside. Once we've taken off everything, just trim the ends off the kale stems. Just tidy them up a little bit, get rid of the old bits, and then we need to slice up the stems. So just slice across, as thick or as thin as you like, but obviously try and keep them all roughly the same size. That makes it easier for cooking. And then all we need to do then is take our leaves, and we're just going to roughly chop the leaves into sort of like bite-sized manageable pieces, so that when we start eating our stir fry, we're not trying to put a whole bunch of kale in our mouths. We can get a decent mouthful and enjoy our pork and kale stir fry. And then taking our crispy pork, we need to cut the pork, slice it as thick or as thin as you like. Now I'll leave a link in the description and a card how to cook crispy pork if you haven't already got your pork cooked. And then we're straight on with the stir fry, and it is so simple. It just takes less than 2 minutes to actually prep and cook our stir fry. So in a mortar, just put in as many chilies as you can handle and some garlic, and give it a mashing. We don't need to add any salt because the soy sauce we'll be using will be salty enough. Okay, so give it a mash, not to a fine paste, have a little bit of texture in there. Then in a wok, add some veg oil or palm oil on a medium heat and put in our chili garlic. A quick little stir fry, turn it around, we don't want it to burn, and then in with our kale. Now again, all we're doing is a quick little stir fry, and then in with our pork. Everything is easy and quick. Then we need to add half a tablespoon of seasoning soy sauce, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Now we don't add 1, 1 and 2 because it would be too salty. Now you could just add 1 seasoning sauce or 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 oyster sauce. That's up to you. Add half a tablespoon of sugar, and then a little stock or water, whatever you prefer, just to loosen everything up in the pan and just give it a little bit of a tiny bit of wet sauce, and then we're ready to serve. So the stir fry is less than 2 minutes. That's it, guys. Crispy pork and kale made. There we go, guys. Crispy pork and kale. Let's give it a try. How easy was that? Less than 5 minutes to actually cook with cooked crispy pork. Let's give it a go. Oh man. Absolutely amazing. Nice crunchy kale, succulent pork, crispy skin still on the pork, oyster sauce, soy sauce, fantastic flavour. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, cooking real Thai food, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.